Welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at some foundations from ShopMissA. I was asked if I would review some, so I got 3 different ones and I'm going to talk about them. I didn't take pictures or anything because I don't really know if that's something you guys really want to see, close-ups. I don't know that they're necessarily beneficial because at the end of the day, every foundation reacts different based on your skin type, based on how you care for your skin. So a lot of that is going to vary for person to person. So anyways, let me show you the ones I got. Now, each of these foundations cost less than $2. I got this one. This is AOA Studio in Fair Ivory. This is a stick one. I normally don't use stick ones, but I wanted to try it out. I got AOA Studio CC Cream, Color Correcting Cream. And then I have AOA Studio Buildable Satin Foundation. That's this one right here. So the first one I'm going to tell you about is this one right here. You can see I didn't really use a lot of it because I did not like how it wore on my skin. I always use primers, so if you want to know how it does without a primer, I'm not the one to tell you because I really truly believe that primers make your foundation wear better. It really just helps keep it looking flawless. So, you know, you could try it without it. They're, like I said, they're less than $2, so you're not really going to lose much. But this one I just didn't like. Like, if you're covering a blemish and then you put the other foundation over it, fine. You could probably use these as contouring sticks, but for me, I really didn't like this one. I probably won't even use it again. I don't know if I'm going to even keep it much longer after this video. So there's that. The next one is this Color Correcting Cream. I actually have this on right now. I really like this. I'm going to be honest with you. This one and this one perform really well and comparable to my other overpriced foundations, 40 and up. These perform just as well. So I mean, I hear other people complaining about it, saying, oh, well, what do you expect for $2? Well, you know what? If you use your primers and all your other products like I do, you might actually find they perform just as well. For me, they perform just as well. I didn't notice any creasing. In fact, I have this with a $40 foundation that I've been using, and I usually have creasing with it, but I did not with this one or the other one. I can say that this color was a better match than I thought it would be. You can see it's just a tad dark, but it's like my summer color, I guess. I get like maybe a shade darker. I don't know. But anyways, this was a really good color, wears very well. Now I will say this one's probably slightly oilier than this one. If you have oily skin and you want to try this out, I highly suggest a matte primer. It will help balance out the oils and possibly wear better for you. This one right here, I felt like it was a little lighter than that one as far as the way it feels on my skin. Again, I didn't notice any major creasing or anything like that. Wore very well. I don't know that you'll necessarily need a matte primer for this one if you have oily skin, but you might want something that helps balance it out. But I did like the way this one wore. Either way, I liked these two really well. I'm probably going to keep using these ones because they wore really well. As I use up some of my more expensive primers, I'm probably always going to keep, some of these. Especially when traveling, because you don't want to waste or damage your higher end products. So I'm probably going to keep some of these for traveling as well because I just really think it's a great value and performs very beautifully on my skin. So those are my thoughts on these foundations. Let me know what you think of these foundations down below. If you've tried them, I want to hear your thoughts and how they wore for you. Yeah, if there's other products off of the ShopMissA you let me try, list them down below and I will look into them. Otherwise, that is the end of this video. Let me, if you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.